1945. It is a satire on Soviet Revolution of 1917, which resulted into communism in Russia in different forms. Napoleon is a most important character of animal farm. In the novel, he represents Joseph Stalin, the great dictator of Russia. Napoleon has many characteristics. He is a powerful leader. Due to his shrewdness and cleverness and cunningness, he overpowers Snowball, who represents Trotsky, a great and noble leader of Russia. It is Napoleon who renames or rechristians Mr. John's Manor Farm as Animal Farm. Due to his successful leadership, he becomes a very popular leader of the animal farm. He steals away the concept of windmill from Snowball. He begins to behave very cruelly with his fellow animals. Napoleon keeps a squealer as a propagandist. Whenever there is any rebellion in the animal farm, a squealer comes to help Napoleon. So he is a cunning leader. He is a modern leader. He is a burning example of modern leader. Napoleon keeps wild dogs as his bodyguards, like modern politicians, modern leaders. And with the help of a squealer and wild dogs, he rules over animal farm arbitrarily. First of all the animals are promised that they will be taken proper care of them. They will be provided proper food, proper care. But when Napoleon takes over the farm, driving away Snowball, he becomes a dictator. Napoleon rose to power. He drives away Snowball from the farm. He is jealous to Snowball because he is more intelligent than more practical leader than Snowball. Napoleon had some good characters also. Napoleon is a practical leader. He possesses all the tactics, all the characteristics of modern typical leader. He is more practical than Snowball. He is intelligent, say more intelligent than Snowball. He is competitive because he wants to become a superior leader. Napoleon possesses some bad characteristics also. What are these bad characteristics? Napoleon violates 7 commandments decided by him earlier. He later declares that all animals are equal, but some animals are more equal than others. He changes it to suit his requirement. He is a tyrannical. He executes hard workers such as Boxer and Benjamin. He is selfish enough. To conclude, Napoleon is a typical modern leader. He rules with cruelty and brutality. He comes for Joseph Stalin. I think students must have got sufficient idea about the character of Napoleon. Thanks for watching.